Good morning, guys. How are we doing? Welcome to Trade Confident. We're going to be going over Ethereum. Could we be moving down here even further than where we're currently sitting this morning? Yes, I'll give you those exact targets, but please keep this in mind. We saw institutions and wells shorting the other day, but the market cap is actually going up for Ethereum right now. So that is a bullish sign. We're going to go over the emotional index, long for short trades, market cap strength, trades in favor, well institutional smart money, support resistance prices, dollar cost average entries, and then get you guys into a trade setup today, which honestly, because we're so low, is going to be very hard to lose. We are sitting at 122 wins and 0 losses. We've never lost a trade. Highest win rate you guys can find on YouTube, possibly ever in crypto. I will show you guys how to trade this way so you guys can have confidence and you may never lose a crypto trade again, okay? Let's dive into the analysis. This morning when retail traders are waking up, they're looking at their indicators and they're saying, oh my gosh, everything is red. We're below the 50, 100, and 200 moving averages. The stochastic, the RSI, and the MACD are all bearish. This is where the market's looking to reverse though. Okay, you need to understand that wells are going to trade against the retail traders. Retail traders to a well and an institution, all they do is provide the liquidity for wells to either buy or wells to sell. That is literally how it is looked. There's not a nice friendly cohort between retail traders and institutions and wells. It literally is wells need retail traders to freak out and sell so they can buy. What you're seeing right now and what you are probably feeling as you're watching this video this week is a lot of fear and anxiety in the market. You're like, oh my gosh, how low are we going to go? This is where the whales love to buy. Let me show you guys something. Let's move down here. Let's take off price here for a second. Here's what I was just doing on the charts before I got on the video. I said, okay, we need to look at something. The well money flow is sitting at a 28. All right. Coming down here, the trend exhaustion is super low. So what I did is I was coming over here and I'm like, okay, where have we been here before in this area where we've been this low? It is right here. Here's a great sign we can look at. Let's put a vertical line right here. Let's move over and take another look at where we've seen this, right about here as well. So let's put a vertical line here. And let's come over here and I'm going to look at, let's look at this guy right about here. I would say that's pretty close to where we're currently sitting as well. So here are some targets based off what the indicator readings are showing us of what has happened in the past. I really love doing this analysis because there's no way to cheat it. It's like, this is what's happened when we've been here in the past, and patterns repeat themselves all the time in crypto. So here's the first bullish sign that I see, and I'm going to put this right here so we can all correlate this together. We saw the move up here for Ethereum. And guess what? It was at the ascending support line too, very close to it. Even when we were high up here with this structure, well money flow, and trend exhaustion were down here in the bottom red section, this is where we ended up seeing it move back up. We also saw them move back up here. So what I'm seeing is it's been holding very strong throughout history in Ethereum that these indicators are able to predict these moves back up. So I do believe, guys, we are in for a move back up here. Let me give you some more reasoning. Another reason I believe this is you have a 1, 2, and you're looking for the third touch of an ascending support line. 2 touches create a line. That means the third touch is the most predictable place for people to go long because it is predictable because you've now got a line. So people going long into the market, which is probably why I believe the market cap is increasing, which I'll show you in a second, as well as the indicators saying the trend, the actual structure of Ethereum is overextended to the downside. Wells are selling, which when wells sell, they will eventually start buying again. They will buy again. And look, they will buy again. They are going to buy this back up, guys. It's an oscillation back and forth. These indicators, guys, do the same thing on any of the cryptos you're looking at this morning. They're 84% off in the description. I'm unshamefully letting you guys know about that sale because you guys have some few days left here. It's just this month. We're going to run it, and then it's going to be going up at the end of the month. Those are in the description, okay? I'm going to keep it on the chart here a little bit, but I want to take us over and I want to show us to look at the metrics here for a second. We'll reference this throughout this video here. The emotional index and all these indicators will update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, just in about an hour and 2 minutes. Emotionally, the market is sitting in here to the neutral section. I'm very curious as to when this updates, we will most likely push people into the anxious emotion again. Okay, that's where we're at over here. Look at the low when we actually got in there. It was right over here. We are now dipping below the previous anxious section, so we could be hitting anxiousness or even fearfulness entering into the market here. This is where retail traders are going to get scared and they're going to start selling, but this is where wells end up buying. I'm telling you guys, watch this. Long for short trades. Short trades are dipping out a little bit over here for Bitfinex. This is a bullish sign. Short trades increasing mean probably pressure on the downside. But short trades decreasing shows us that there's less pressure for the market to go down because short trades are getting out of the way. And as long as longs are staying steady here, this is actually a bullish sign in the market. Watch this now. Okay, market cap strength. Here's something interesting I saw here. I'm like, we got to talk about this. Yesterday, when this metric came out, we saw price action go down and market cap actually went up. So I've been telling this to you guys on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Look at what's happening here. We've got market cap, literally this is tens of millions of dollars heading into the market, while overall we're still seeing a downward trend in price. This means wells and institutions are buying this. This green line cannot go up. This is an on-chain metric, everybody, if you're understanding this. This green line cannot go up unless people are buying Ethereum, and there's two parts to it. They have to buy Ethereum and they have to be selling other altcoins because this is the market cap relative to the overall market cap of the entire crypto market. So they have to be buying as well as selling other coins. This isn't just people buying like a normal market cap like you guys are used to, but this means people are dumping other coins to buy Ethereum. That's why this is such a powerful line here. So this has been moving up the last 24 hours on the dip. Could institutions be looking to buy this to shoot this back up over the weekend into Monday and Tuesday? I do believe that's what we're going to be seeing. I will cover how low we can go here in a second, but giving you guys all of the unbiased raw data. Watch these metrics for yourself over here over the weekend. I'll show you guys how to get into that. There's links in the description to access the metrics. Now look at this. Trades in favor. We are dipping back down into good long trades. If you guys know our scalping strategy that I've been showing you guys on the front page, watch this. It literally is a 100% win rate. Don't judge it off the bat because I know a lot of people are like, there's nothing that's 100%. Yes, if you use good risk management, you can go, well, I'll say this. We have gone 100%. We may lose one in the future, possibly, but use the risk management. You guys are going to have a hard time ever losing a trade. Okay, just wanted to point that out there for you guys want an extremely good scalping strategy with good risk management. There you go. Let's move down. Well, institutional smart money yesterday. I was kind of surprised by this. Usually, guys, when we see the market go down, we look for institutions to buy this because it's a demand of a lower price. And what happened was, as the market went down, short trades actually came out. This blew me away. I was like, this is weird. So what happened yesterday was short trades came out with institutions, and it's starting to drop again this morning. So that was the precursor I saw, like, oh my gosh, we're probably not moving down too much more. But this morning, I want you guys to watch this. Watch to see what happens here. I think over this morning, in the next hour, now we're at 58 minutes when these metrics are going to update, this will probably shift to the upside here, looking for wells and institutions to accumulate long trades because they're going to try to take the bounce right here. And because of the historical data of what has happened with the actual well money flow and structures of crypto, we are due for a move back up based off these moves here, okay? Let's move down here. How low is Ethereum going to go if we really just crash? We're looking at these support levels. The strongest level of support is at about 23,200. So let's take a look at that on the charts. 23,200. 23 puts us right about here. This is the greatest crash point. I'm going to come out here and I'll show you guys this with a rectangle. We all need to be watching this spot right here. This is where we're going to be watching for what's called a bounce zone. This puts us right around the level of about 2,300. Exactly. If this breaks here, we could be heading down there. I do think this is pretty aggressive, though, to head down this far. Because if we look at Bitcoin just for 1 second, and I'll do a video today on Bitcoin, Bitcoin over here is already past its ascending support. This is the ascending support, and we're getting very close to this bounce zone right here, which we're probably going to see a move back up. So Ethereum, in my opinion, is actually more bullish right now than Bitcoin, and we'll most likely see a turnaround before Bitcoin due to this structure right here of the ascending support. Okay, let me show you guys this. Dollar cost average entries, you're doing fantastic. If you watched the video I did yesterday showing you guys the best 2022 indicators, it's insane. Go to our YouTube channel, you guys can see that. Down here, let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup for Ethereum right now. I'm going to show this to you guys on Bitcoin because I want to keep it private for our members, but this is how you guys are literally able to get in here and trade this, and this is how we've won every single one of our trades, so watch this carefully here. What you're going to do on Ethereum, because this is such a great place to get in, guys, you are going to see 4 different buy limits on Ethereum. This is just for Bitcoin. Take the amount you want to trade with, let's say it's $1,000, split it into 4 equal portions. Now the $250 you place at each portion here, that's going to be in as a limit order for each of these, okay? Once the first buy limit is hit, you guys are going to set up a sell limit up here. The sell limit is purposely very high, okay? Because in case the market blows up, we want to get taken out there. I will be calling exits for everybody in the Telegram channel. So you guys will get that. Literally, the highest win rate ever recorded on crypto and on YouTube we can find. I'm honored. I'm blessed that we have that, okay? Here's how you guys access this. The metrics for all the Wells institutions. So you watch that this weekend, guys. Watch it this weekend. It's what's going to be predicting these markets. You're going to get those for all the coins. It's just $95 a month in here, okay? The master classes are yours. The entries and exits for all of our coin wins are going to be given to you guys in Telegram. The community chat, I'm going to go live with you guys on May 19th, and we're going to do a Q&A session, and that's coming up here very soon. I'm going to show you guys some things in the market. All right, make sure you guys are not missing that because we're literally about to call a win. The next wins are going to be on SHIB, which is the last one we took of 9.92% for 50% and then 4% for the other 50%. SHIB and Luna are looking like our next two wins. Now, the indicators, you guys saw the pop-up. Literally, guys, this is the cheapest you will ever be able to get our indicators. We will not have our indicators lower than this price again. I will run this sell again, probably for Black Friday this year. But until then, you guys want to snag this because this is the cheapest you can get our indicators, 84% off. You just need to enter coupon code. I know people love entering coupon codes, so there you guys go. Click the link, enter the coupon code Save Money, and you guys will get 84% off. You save money on all the other 9 indicators here. For these 3, you'll get 40% off. For these, you'll get 60%. Obviously, the bundle pack is the best deal because the market's slow right now. We want to save you guys a lot of money, but we're also seeing people make a lot of money with this, so it's a win-win for you guys, okay? All these indicators you will get is a one-time purchase, lifetime access. You also get the source codes to all the indicators, so nobody can take these indicators away from you guys, okay? As I've been showing you guys this, of predicting moves up in the market, this is how you guys can look in the history of what's happened in the past to say, okay, structure's been here before. We have seen the price do this many times. What has happened in the past? Guys, even YouTubers out there, if you're watching this is a very good tool to be using to say, all right, what kind of confidence can we have moving forward in the market? Well, you must go back and look at the data of what's happened previous times we have been in this cycle. So you're looking at where the wall money flow is and look at where it is and where it's lined up and look at where trend exhaustion is. This is literally going to show you guys predictions of what we're looking for moves up. And when I see this on the charts here, guys, I'm having a very hard time not finding a place where we haven't seen a move back up. Maybe we can look at this over here and we saw this move right here. Maybe one time where we saw a little bit of a move back down. But the rest of the times here, even over here, if we're looking at this is where we start heading down to the green section. You're looking at this right here, right about this area. Vertical line. That is where we also started turning around as well. So I'm just keeping everything honest on this channel, guys. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, 5 of these times saw a very fast move back up in the market. And I guess we can even count this over here if we'd like for vertical. And this is where it pushed us back up into this market. So I think strongly that this market is going to be looking for a move back up here, and I am not selling a single thing, and we're already starting to see the green candle bounce right now in this video. So guys, get these indicators in the description. Literally, they're 84% off. Don't miss this sale because I am going to be upping it at the end of this month. All right, make sure you guys snag these. Get the membership so you guys will access all the trade calls I'm about to be making, okay, for all the exits. And then I'm going to tell you guys exactly when I'm getting back into these trades because I'm currently trading with you guys with $150,000 and we're currently sitting at 118, which is still one of the healthiest accounts in all of YouTube, 115. Most people are down 55 to 60% right now, and we are doing great over here on this drop. It is because of the risk management, guys. I think you're going to love this. Have a good one, guys. God bless you. Have a great Friday. Look at what's happened in the past to predict the future moves with these indicators, and I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.